That's how I blend horizontally, and it makes it easy. But it looks silly. Hi, it's Tilly, and for part 3 of our Halloween 2021 Inspiration Month, I made myself into a witch. If you haven't seen part 1 or 2 of the series, the goal is to provide inspiration for Halloween costumes without having to custom make everything. Since the ghost from part 2 was a bit spooky, I thought I'd do a costume that was more cute this time. I have these fun little glitter stars I received free with an order from MAC, and I haven't been able to do anything with them yet, and they were just calling my name for this makeup look. So let's get started. For the outfit, I started with a plain black dress from my closet that was nice and versatile. The great thing about any witch you decide to be is that the outfit can be whatever style you want. Spooky or scary, evil, fun, classic, or cute. They're all great. Next, I ordered the witch-inspired hat. I like it, but it's a little big on my head, so I added a wig. I decided this witch is going to be a spunky, pink-haired mystical witch. I wanted to bring pink into the outfit as well, and not just leave it in the hair, so I selected a pink crinoline to round out the outfit. The makeup you can get really creative with, and I had a fun time pulling in influences from modern makeup trends with costume elements. I'm going to start with foundation. Today I'm going to be using the Nye Media Pro Foundation. It's a new foundation to me, so we'll see how this goes. This might be a little bit light with how tan I am right now. That's okay. So for the foundation, I just went ahead and spread that all over my face before patting it to smooth it out. And for concealer, I'll be using the Nye Cream Highlight. And then the concealer, I put it underneath my eyes, along the bridge of my nose, and underneath my nostrils. My goal is to give her a more rosy look and then include the stars. So I'm going to go in with Ruby Red from MAC. And a fluffy brush, and I'm going to kind of go higher than I would my normal blush line to be able to kind of give her more of that young looking rosy glow. I'm also going to place it on the tip of my nose and then tone a lot of this down because this is too stark. So I'm taking a clean fluffy brush and just trying to get some of that excess off and rubbed in. I'm next going to take a highlight. This one is the Super Shock highlighter from the Villains collection from ColorPop from Disney. I'm just going to add a bit more sparkle towards the top of that we just did. Help that blend into the face a little bit more. For the eyes, I'm going to take Disney's Beautifully palette and use the bright white that's got a lot of shimmer to it as well, and pop that all over the lid on both sides. She's really, in my mind, more whimsical. She's definitely more of a like heads up in the clouds sort of character or witch. So I'm keeping everything very airy, very young looking, a lot of glitter. And that's the goal for her look, is just to keep everything quite bright and fun and playful. Next, I'm going to take the MAC powder in silver. And using a small eyeshadow brush, I'm actually just going to, a little of this goes a long way, so I'm going to pop that right at the edges of my eyeline as if it were an eyeliner, but I'm going to take it up a little bit higher as well. We have some stars we're going to use that are silver to give her that more astrology look, so I want to bring the silver elsewhere as well. From there, I'm going in with the powder Cheers My Dear, which is a light pearly pink, and we're going to blend the silver to the rest of the lid. I'm also going to pop some pink onto her forehead. Next, I'm going to take a black and put on a light eyeliner, as well as adding an eyeliner underneath about 3/4 of the way over. Next, I'm going to pop a little bit of the pink into my eyebrows so it looks a bit more cohesive with the wig. Next, for the lips, I first started with Pout from Smashbox, which is a light pink. I'm then gonna pop a darker pink. This is Maleficent from the Cream collection from ColorPop Villains, and pop that in the center. I have silver stars from MAC, and these are going to make kind of like a freckle constellation along the bridge of my nose, and attach them with eyelash glue. Okay, this brings the entire look together. This is stinking cute. So let's put it all together. I'm super happy with how she turned out. I think she's absolutely adorable and would be a blast for any Halloween party or gathering. And there we have it. I hope you enjoyed this Halloween inspiration. Please like and subscribe for more Halloween and costume content. You can also find me at my socials at Tilli Cosplay. We'll see you next time.